Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here. Agya Tw3 I'm your complete
na nimpa hunu na minnim no ba mu wogidie woni mu se obeba bebia ma me eni ntina asantefo to aba edema MPP ayi edema ndc ba power into when this wo ba power no main purpose main target ne se sa afarwa military hospital no oba finishing within 1 year na wo dia masantefo to gain their mentality. Any GDA now what gain one mentality, what gain one GDA, one when you receive ni GDA at the amount where in this government. And Sessa Robert now in the first place, I'm a 1.5 years now back. Also yenja NDC for because one more by 1.5 years ni. Sikana one more day kwa 24 hours economy market no. Sa sikana yebetimi atam e dia commission sa afarowa military hospital no e dia magana for. Ada woni project da ho. Wonye wo so wo kokate another project. How? Wo project da ho wonye. Aka krane wawie. Wo si magaya to ho. Kwa kokate another sword. Ebe sha se dey one. Yey. When na ekwa America e wo park so. A o say wadi kan o onu no di kan o di first. But first no o say mempe biem. Mempe first no. But me jam first na madi no na maba be di last. Na maba be sha se foforo. What be that? What it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni honorable Kennedy Japan mu a na the fact and the truth I say honorable Kennedy Japan e catch na this government and say Ghana for na jide wo mu it make sure say what commissions our hospital ne dia masante for and the Ghana for. At that moment, I will bet now my MPP. A baba demonstration the same. And yet here when this government will fail it. Because a Juma go the necessary way. And the honorable Canadian Japan Becca say, I end this MPP for by 8 years. One commission into be about 1.5 years a yenja woman and in Ghana dinner so to about this MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Asante region, for Asante people, any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only be a hospital no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's a 1.5 on GP on DD? Maybe so on GP, on DD, on DD. Sikabe no time yes or the kwakwa start 24 hours economy market ni sikabe no time ye. Sa sika ni yentimi yi enfan finishes our hospital na. Enti mistake a MPP ye no. That means all part na say NDC sunye the same thing and yes ah. Kofo na sha ase. O sha ase na NDC for beto aso wo mu awie. And NDC for so free so NMPP abeto aso wo mu so awie. And na when NDC wa ba finish no. Finish no.
Mujene da no. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we compound go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and a go and no say. It is a Canadian saying, and no man in Abaya. check scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na tani afi dem keke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho chief imam for nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho politicians nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina e ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete neze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems mo so open konketenkete isi enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire radio ndama ma so o mema was come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de radio ndama ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true
onye adwuma order and onye juma
wo hoda ama nam one for the first time nam one I post oh yes nam one I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem no listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe ba bia akoda na nam one yes na che say was no kura adwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no nkwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mo bi o mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the also by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the memo who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my Agya.